The C terminal is considered optional because many thermostats can run on batteries and do not strictly require a hardwired common connection to operate. A common terminal supplies a continuous 5-volt or 24-volt power reference depending on the system type, and that ensures the thermostat has uninterrupted power for display, wireless functions, and smart features. If your thermostat is battery-powered, you should check manufacturer current draw specifications and replace batteries on a predictable schedule to avoid loss of settings or connectivity. Choose high-quality alkaline or lithium cells for longer service. When installing a new smart thermostat, test whether it will charge from the furnace control board by connecting the C wire temporarily and monitoring for stable operation for at least 24 hours before committing to permanent wiring. If you decide not to run a dedicated C conductor, you can still use batteries and preserve functionality by disabling high drain features like frequent wireless polling, backlight, or auxiliary sensors. For systems where the control board cannot deliver sufficient trickle charge to the thermostat, you can install a simple power adapter or a common wire adapter kit which draws a small amount from the heating circuit to emulate a C connection. Always turn power off at the breaker and label low voltage wires before touching the control board to avoid short circuits, and consult the equipment manual for the proper voltage and terminal identification. The three most common issues are drained batteries, improper control board identification, and intermittent thermostat reboots. Batteries fail earlier than expected when features like Wi-Fi or large color displays are active, so the quick remedy is to replace with higher capacity lithium cells or switch on battery saving settings. Misidentifying the common terminal happens when homeowners confuse the ground or fan terminals for C. So the fix is to trace the wire back to the furnace or air handler control board and confirm the labeled C screw or connector and voltage, with a basic multimeter set to the appropriate low voltage range. Intermittent reboots often mean the control board is not providing a stable trickle charge, or the C wire is loose. Secure the C connection, clean contacts, and if instability persists, install a dedicated power adapter or run a proper C conductor from the control board to the thermostat. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to thermostat and HVAC projects. We also host a discussion community where professionals and homeowners share experiences, wiring tips, and product recommendations.